Traveling the world does not have to be expensive. I'm here to tell you firsthand experience that you can travel the world at a fraction of the cost. You can actually travel the world and get paid to do so. Most people just don't know the keys to do it. Most people don't have access to the information. Most people keep that information hidden. They keep it a secret, but not today. Today, I am going to be revealing the top 3 sources, the top 3 ways that you can travel the world and make money while you do it. And I'm not just talking a couple of $100 here, a couple of $100 there. I'm talking thousands of dollars. So let's dive in. What's up, y'all? It's your boy DJ Richie Skye. We are back with another video, back with a banger, and we are talking about how to make money and travel the world at the same time. Yes, I got 3 ways for you to do that. So if you are somebody who is interested in traveling the world, okay, or even maybe even traveling around the United States and making money while you do it, then this is the video for you, and you will definitely want to subscribe. You will want to click that like button, and you will want to comment. I want to know where you would go. Where is the first trip that you would, where would you go? What's your top location that you would want to go if I offered you a free trip? Let's just say, for the sake of argument, that someone were to offer you a trip. Where would you go? Write that in the comment section down below. I want to see how many people I can help today. All right, so let's go ahead and dive right in. The first thing that you are going to do is you are going to become a travel host. Yes, that is something that I am doing. So I know that this works, and I've done it before. This is a way that you can actually travel the world internationally or domestically and make thousands of dollars doing it. Absolutely. I've done it. I know people that have done it. I know people that have made up to $40,000 in one trip simply because they hosted a group trip. So this is great for somebody who is maybe a travel influencer, someone who has a subscriber base, someone who has a following on Instagram, TikTok, Twitch, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, wherever your people congregate, then this is for you. You may have a large group of friends that love to travel. You may have a church community that wants to travel, they want to do missions, then this is an opportunity for you to not only travel the world, but make an income while doing it, right? So this is what you're gonna do. This is the play. I have an ebook that's listed in the description of this video. It will go through every company that I've worked with, the ones that I trust, okay? I'm gonna give you links for those companies so that you can actually test them out for yourself. Now, let's get into how this works. Hosting a group trip is going to be what you're doing. So that means that you are gonna be the person who is kind of like the fun master for this. You're gonna be corralling all of the people. When you get to your destination, wherever that may be, you're gonna have a local guide. So you will have somebody on the ground, and those companies will actually make the itineraries for you, or you can choose them yourself depending on where you're going and what you know about the places that you're going. So if you have a place that you've already been to and you want them to kind of coordinate everything, then they will do that. So all of your transportation is taken care of. You can choose your accommodations, whether you want 5-star, 4-star, or 3-star. You can choose your activity level, whether you want it to be moderate or whether you want it to be very strenuous or, just a bit more challenging. You want to do some type of rock climbing or something like that. Then they have those experiences. Every place that you want to go to, from Bali to Thailand, to Greece, to Switzerland, Tokyo, Antarctica is there, Alaska, Canada, the United States. I'm talking every place that you can think of, they have it. And the great thing about it is, one of these companies will actually give you I guess they call it a flight advance, right? It's a travel advance. So essentially what that advance will do is that will actually purchase your plane ticket. So this trip becomes absolutely free for you. The room is free, everything is free. There will be meals typically included with these trips as well. So all you need to do is gather your group of people and off you go. Now, there is some work involved in terms of promoting the event, or the trip, I should say. Also, you will want to, of course, stay on top of the logistics. You'll want to know where you guys are going each day, those types of things. But that's also what the local guide is there for. And you didn't have a trip coordinator with each of these companies. So you're not stuck out there doing all of this by yourself. And again, you can host these trips relatively fast. Okay, so the next tip that I'm going to give you is that you can become a licensed travel agent. Now, this is something I was actually looking into doing. I was strongly considering this. And I actually have spoken with several travel agents over the past couple of weeks, I should say, and one just as recently as yesterday, to really get an understanding of what it is that can be done as a travel agent to make money and travel the world. So the first thing that you can do as a travel agent is you can take familiarization trips. So these are actually called FAM trips. And a FAM trip is basically a trip that is coordinated by a hotel or a resort, or sometimes an organization within a specific country. I was invited to a FAM trip to Jordan, but they have since had to kind of reschedule that due to some of the conflict that was going on in the Middle East. So I'm not sure when that's going to happen, but FAM trips don't just have to be for travel agents. They can just be if there are organizations within a particular country that want to attract visitors there, then you can, as a travel influencer or someone who works in the travel business, you can be invited on those trips. But that's a whole different scenario. But as a travel agent, this is something that is very, very common for people to be hopping off on FAM trips, exploring resorts so that they can come back and recommend those resorts to their clients. Now, as a travel agent, you can make anything from $100 to $10,000 based on the type of facilities, resorts that you are recommending, that you are putting together, whatever type of travel plans that you're putting together, whatever type of travel packages you're putting together. My trip to Switzerland, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it was probably about, I feel like it was about $8,000 total. But I gotta tell you, we stayed in castles. I mean, go figure. We stayed in castles. We took trains everywhere. These were luxury trains. Could it have been cheaper? I'm absolutely sure it could have been. But, you know, we wanted a specific type of experience. And that's exactly what the travel agent gave us. And I'm sure she got a hefty commission because of it. Now, let's talk about the third way that you can make money. I'm talking some serious cash rules everything around us, all right? Cream, get the money, dollar bill, y'all, is through a lifestyle membership. So I have a lifestyle membership. We call it the Rich Life Community. That's a little nickname for it. But in this group, I started this in November, right after I would say I got back from a trip to Mexico. The fall was so crazy for me. I just realized I went from Tokyo to Bali to Mexico, like all within the span of like 2 months. Crazy, right? So anyway, I got back from Mexico and I discovered a way that I could not only travel the world for pennies on the dollar, but I could also get a free incentive trip anywhere in the world, right? So remember I talked to you guys earlier and I asked you to specifically name me a place where you wanted to go? Now, are you tracking? Are you tracking now? Are you tracking why I asked you that question? So not only would I get this incentive trip anywhere in the world, but I could also book travel 5 different ways within the membership portal. I could also get discounts on dinners, movies, excursions, cars, phones. My phone bill I could get my phone bill cut in half with T-Mobile. It was just so much that I'm able to do with my membership. So for me, this was a no-brainer. But the kicker is I refer 3 people and my monthly membership is actually paid for. And the monthly membership is less than the cost of dinner on a Friday night here in DC. So it really already wasn't even much. I'm getting an incentive trip anywhere in the world that I want to go. I haven't even taken the trip yet. Well, I mean, for me, if you guys have been following me for a while, you know my dad passed. But so that's kind of been like, it took up a lot of my mental capacity over the past couple of months. But that's just me being honest. But yeah, I mean, the great thing about this is when I got in, I immediately referred like 10 people because I just knew that there were so many people out there who love to travel, but also love to make money. So what I realized is with this, I would get paid daily. Yes, I get paid daily, and I get paid residual income because I've referred so many people. I think right now I have about 26 personal partners that I've referred myself, and I have like 113 people who have been referred to this membership as a result of those 26 people. Isn't that crazy? That is crazy, right? So the growth within this space is tremendous, right? And so is the income potential. Right now, I'm making thousands of dollars per month simply because I shared this membership with other people. If you want to know more about this lifestyle membership, definitely chime into the description of this video to get my ebook because I list it all there for you. Everything is given to you in complete detail, and there are links to videos that will actually give you play-by-plays of exactly what you need to do and what examples you need to follow. And when you join this lifestyle membership, you will also get personal access to me because I will invite you to our WhatsApp group where we also have, we share information. We share travel tips, ways that you can make additional income with this membership. There are so many things that you can do with this membership. It is absolutely insane, and it has completely changed my life, right? And we are changing the lives of other people as well. And now other people are able to travel the world for pennies on the dollar. I'm talking Dubai for less than $90 for a week. I'm talking timeshares, resorts, world tours, getaways, all of these things. And you're paying literally 80% sometimes of what you would typically pay at retail prices. Yeah, so it's insane. So not only can you do that, but you can also make thousands of dollars while doing it. So there are ways out there for you guys to travel the world and make a lot of money. You've just got to know where to look. And this membership is an invite-only membership, so that's probably why you've never heard of it. So now that you know, again, tap in the description of this video to get the link to my ebook because that will give you the play-by-play of everything that it is that I'm doing and that I know of that will help you travel the world and make a ton of money doing it. Make a ton of money doing it. And then the bonus tip is that once you start traveling the world and you start making money doing it, then you capture all of that and you put it here on YouTube and Facebook and you monetize your YouTube and your Facebook, and then you're making money all these types of ways. The Bible says, I think it's in Ecclesiastes, that says you need to have at least 7 or 8 streams of income. So, I mean, if the Bible says it, then let me go ahead and run with it, right? But no, seriously, and shout out to the Bible. But I would say this. If you are somebody who is out there and you want to see more of the world and you want to travel, you want to make money, you are looking for the next thing that you can do either as your 5 to 9 after your 9 to 5 or to replace your 9 to 5, then these are some ways that you could absolutely travel the world and make a ton of money doing it. I'm telling you, this is like printing money. And all you need to do is take that first step. Just take the first step. I did. And here I am today, countries later. It's changed my life. So my goal is that hopefully this can change yours too. So with that being said, if you haven't subscribed already, definitely do so. I will be checking your comments because I want to see exactly where you guys want to go. All right. And then be sure to, like I said, get the ebook because it gives you everything. I put everything in this ebook that I know of to help as many people as possible because there's no point in writing the ebook if I'm not going to help somebody. The ebook costs you less than it will to get you lunch, especially with inflation. All right. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Like this video if you haven't already done so. If you like travel, if you like lifestyle, if you like making money, this is going to be the place for you because I'm going to give you everything that I know and I'm going to spell it out for you. Period. So I will catch you in the next. Y'all. See, it got me outside. Not outside in the United States, baby. Outside. International. She got us in the streets, baby. In the streets. reporting to you live from the streets
Reporting live.
of
See, it's that
Phuket.
Baltimore thing. I'm gonna find it where I'm at.
So we are down here at, is this Penn Seafood?
This is Penn Seafood.
We got Penn Seafood,
It's like they got everything though.
and your boy is misty, but it feels good out here. It's actually like a breeze outside. It's a beautiful night. I absolutely love this.
So we were just at the top. That's my
Oh,
hotel.
we were
at the top.
up there,
Yes.
but I'm telling y'all, it's something about
The energy.
the energy. It's like, I can't say it's relaxing,
It's
but
a
it's
mixture of it
peaceful.
though. It is, because it's like, that's what somebody said today. They said it's soul. They said like, they was like, oh, I left Dubai because it was soulless. And they came here.
Yeah, this place has like
It's a honor energy. They
yeah,
honor. You know how they got all them shrines? They got with the
yeah,
soda and stuff.
and
Did
the
you see one?
temples and all that.
They serious about that.
I feel like
Even though
it's
Dubai's full of
something-
mosques, it's still a different, like they say, the soul of the person.
Yeah, I think it just feels good.
It feels good.
Like, I would not say that I would feel comfortable doing this at home.
No, I would never do this at home. Like sit outside.
Like sit outside and
I only did
like
this in
the
Ghana. I was Ghana here in Dubai. That's it. That's the only places I would do.
and it's just so chill.
And
I think that's what's crazy about it. It's like, it's really chill.
It's a calm here. Even though it's like all these bikes, it's still a calm. I mean, it should be calm though. They got massages on every.